जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindha And now Sugriva saying that, "Oh Rama, oh the best man of the world, Rama, now I am confident that you can defeat Devendra and all the Devatas just with only one arrow. I am confident. Kim punaha valinam. Now for you, Vali is nothing in front of you. Rama, with one arrow, you peeled out 7 huge trees, mountain and the earth at a time. Now I am confident that in this entire world, nobody can stand in front of you in the battlefield. Rama, you are an equivalent to Devendra and Varuna. Now I am so happy that I got such a great friend. Rama, I am feeling so happy. Now I am confident that all my grief is totally removed by you. Rama, now do not delay anymore. Come on, go ahead and kill my brother Vali. Baddhoyam Anjalihi. I am doing namaskaram to you. I am lifting my shoulders and folding my hands and doing namaskaram to you, Rama. Go ahead and kill my brother Vali. Like that, Sugriva saying to Rama. Sugriva doing namaskaram to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then Ramachandra Swami Parishvajya Sugrivam gave a big hug to Sugriva. And now Rama is saying to Sugriva while Lakshmana is listening, saying that, "Ho Sugriva, asmat gacchema Kishkindham." Now let us go to Kishkindha. Kshipram gachatvam agrataha. You go first. You go fast. Then you go ahead and akhvaya valinam. Come on, invite Vali for a fight, for the war. Like that Rama said, all of them went to Kishkindha. Then in one of the forests, they are all hiding behind the trees. Then Sugriva, he got ready. He tied his clothes tightly and he invited Vali for the fight, for the war. Sugriva did huge screaming sound. Dreadfully he is screaming. Vali heard that and Vali got so much anger and then immediately came out of his palace, Vali. Then Sugriva and Vali started fighting. Gagane grahayot ghoram buddha angarakayoriva. As and how Buddhagraham, Kujagraham fights each other in the sky, so also here Sugriva and Vali fighting each other. Then both of them are slapping each other. When they slap each other, those sounds are coming out like a big thunders. And when they fight each other, when they hit each other with their fists, those sounds are coming like Vajrayudham sounds. Tato Ramo Dhanushpanihi. While they are fighting each other, then Ramachandra Swami has taken his bow. Then Rama has seen both of them. Tavubhau samudikshiyatu. He has seen both of them very carefully. Anyonya sadrusa vira vubhau. Both of them looking very similar. And Rama could not figure out who is Sugriva, who is Vali. That is why Rama did not want to shoot an arrow. You know why? Because if the arrow is shooted by Rama, definitely that arrow would kill. But the situation is Rama doesn't know who is Sugriva, who is Vali. In that confusion state, Rama did not want to shoot an arrow. While Rama is delaying like this, Sugriva got so much hits by Vali, and Sugriva started running away from Vali. Rushyamukam pradudruve. Sugriva ran out of that place, and then Sugriva's entire body is bleeding. When Sugriva running away like that, Vali started chasing him. Then Sugriva got into Matanga Mahamuni ashramam, where Vali cannot enter because Matanga Mahamuni cursed. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.